Oh, spicy. Welcome back to Sunrise. It really is. Because what about this? You can't go past tacos for fun, family, favourite. They're just delicious, especially on a Tuesday. We all like to do it. But what about Chipotle chicken tacos? This is next level. We are joined, of course, by Coles ambassador Courtney Ralston. Thank you.
Good morning.
What about this? What have you got for us today?
Look, really easy one. 6 ingredients. You know when people say 15-minute recipes and then you cook it and it's like 47 minutes?
Yes.
This really is a 15-minute recipe.
okay.
Very, very
I'll hold you to
easy. 2 ingredients, a brown onion and some diced chicken breast into a pan with some olive oil and salt.
Easy.
And all I've done is brown that off.
Okay.
The chipotle part of this comes in a little pouch and you add in a couple of tablespoons and literally that just gets warmed through for like 2 minutes.
Oh,
So
that looks easy.
it's like, even if you don't cook, you can cook this one. It's quicker than calling takeaway. Anybody with...
Why did you look at me?
No, I did. You're
really
a
mean.
great cook. You've
think
told
it's
me
mean.
you used to work
Yeah.
in a pizza shop. I know.
Yes,
I know.
I did, a
You've
long
been
time ago.
working for many years.
Shall not be named.
Okay.
And then all you do is warm that sauce through for like 2 minutes. So Chipotle's smoky, a little bit spicy, but not too spicy for kids. And it's a
What
nice
is it?
mild. Chipotle is just. It's a jalapeno. You know the green, fat, short little chilies.
Yeah, these
Yep,
fellas.
that's
Well, they're
Yeah.
poblanos.
Oh, no,
they're in
yeah.
between that and that.
Gotcha.
All it is they're dried on the chili plant.
Yeah.
And they're smoked. And then in Mexico, they give dried and fresh chilies different names. It's essentially a dried and smoked jalapeno.
Oh, there you go.
And then
That's
it's
easy.
turned into this sauce. And then all you do
Let's
is...
assemble. And
Assemble.
while you're assembling, we'll
Yeah.
try
We're gonna
ones
try.
you tried earlier.
eat. And then it's some
We've
shredded
been
lettuce.
waiting for this all morning.
Yeah, exactly.
Tin of corn. You can grill fresh if you want, but tin is super easy.
These are really stacked.
Oh, yeah.
I filled them up for you, Nat.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
And then all you
yeah,
do is
look at
spoon
that.
in the... I mean, you know, tacos, you put everything in the middle of the table and you let everyone do their own. And then you get a 2-for-1 with the chipotle sauce, the Old El Paso sauce.
Yep.
All you do is mix it through some sour cream and that's your creamy element. Put that on. You can squeeze some lime if you
wow.
like it spicy. I know you do, Nat. We've
I'm gonna
got
put
some
some
of
of that.
the pickled jalapenos can go on.
So the chipotle is not as spicy as I thought.
No,
Is it?
No, it's not. And I think when you ripen chilies, like the green chilies are picked when they're quite strong. When they're ripened, they go sweet, like a
Yeah.
capsicum. They're dried. It's not spicy. It's perfect for kids. And it's easy.
It's
when
got
you
that
want...
delicious smoky flavour. That's what really comes through.
Yeah.
It's so
I think when
good.
you want,
That sour
Mexican-inspired, easy dinner for the whole family, 15 minutes, it ticks a lot of boxes.
So what's the sauce again? It's just sour cream and the sauce
And
out of
this,
the packet.
mix that together. Yeah.
Is that a solo mariachi band? Oh, no, it's
Yeah.
Barrett's.
It's,
Here he comes.
It is barrette. That's a Mexican bird.
Love what
I didn't Google what Mexican
what you've
birds
done
were
here.
called.
Love what you've done, Courtney. It's beautiful.
Brett,
There's a spare one.
It
for
could
anyone
get...
who's worked
Thank
hard
you,
all morning.
Court.
It could get messy.
Hey, don't wait
get
till
messy. There
Tuesday,
we go.
Taco Tuesday. You can do it any day.
Tonight.
And you can find the full recipe on the Cooking with Coles section of the Sunrise website.